Look at the two of you. Funny. Yeah, you actually jumped up and went past Jack. Jack's enjoying a little afternoon cat nap time on one of his favorite spots, the bench. Look at this. You guys are playing so nice, sharing nicely together. Good boy, Jack. And there's pretty Maddie. Happy Jack. Oh, Mom, why do you have to interrupt my nap? Okay, come on. Let's go, Maddie. Leave Jack. Come on. Let Jack have his nap. Come on. Maddie, come. Come. You can jump past him. He won't hurt you. Come on. Come on. Little yoga stretch. No. Jack's thinking, Mom, why? I was enjoying such a nice nap. Okay, my fault. No, I shouldn't have disturbed Jack's nap. Okay, come on, let's leave Jack to nap. Come on, you can do it. Oh boy, maturity, Jack, it's working. Sort of. Maybe. Shh. I'm such a troublemaker. That probably happens 4 or 5 times a day. Yep, the Great Dane just got chased onto the bed by the 10-pound cat. Never-ending fun. Oh, Jack, you love playing with her. All right, Maddie. I think I've done enough damage to Jack's nap time. Let's go. Come on. Good girl.